Oftentimes, we have to use a severe level of discernment when trying to figure out the truth and what's going on out here, not only with our planet, but any of the other heavenly bodies around us, the workings of them. And in this situation, we have the announcement that they're saying the moon lies inside of Earth's atmosphere. So scientifically, this is what they're stating and they're standing on. So moving forth from here, when we reference this and we say, okay, now they're saying the moon is within the Earth's atmosphere, and then the first thing people say is, okay, where's the evidence and the proof? Well, they're saying that this has been archived for a long time, that this was picked up a long time ago via different space missions. You're talking European Space Agency, NASA, Russia, all of them together with a lot of this info sitting on a shelf, so they say, for the past 20 years. And now they're ready to tell the world some of this info. And it may not seem like it's groundbreaking or huge info to some, but it does change the dynamics of everything that we know between Earth, the moon, and traveling to and from. When you want to talk about Van Allen belts and other belts and forces that are not known to man or simply not told to the masses, like some kind of firmament bubble that keeps everything locked in here that you cannot see, that is probably as see-through as glass. Just like the radiation belts. So with this sitting within Earth's atmosphere, what they're saying is that in doing this study, they mapped out this geocorona around Earth in Earth's atmosphere, and they found out that the moon is basically sitting in the middle of it. So it's not like it's out on the edge. This is sitting in the middle, they say, basically. They started getting this data back in 96 and 98 from SOHO. Well, SOHO is also the camera that they decided to take away from us in the form in which it was up, because it was allowing us to see all the activity around the sun. Some that was just super unexplainable, flying all over the place. If rocks and ice are attracted to our sun, like a comet, then what are all these other things flying around that are not affected by the sun? Huh? Extraterrestrial highway is what I believe it is. Life all throughout the cosmos. You're living in a box and small-minded if you think otherwise, in my opinion. But when you're lied to your whole life, what do you expect? So they say that Russia and the United States together had this information. They're now putting it out there. And we'll wait and see what they say next in terms of a big discovery or what they're going to do or something else connected to this. I just got a feeling this is the first step in a series of revelations between the Earth and the moon that we're going to see here. So I'll continue to update if we hear of more. Wanted to get this out there and let it be known. Make sure to join us for Underground World News Live every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, Dabu77, where we discuss all these things and break it down further. Get to the bottom of all this. It's been Dabu7. Eyes to the skies.